Why ChatGPT is the future of digital marketing in English. Digital marketing is changing rapidly, and many businesses struggle to keep up with the latest trends and technologies. But with the advent of ChatGPT, a powerful AI chatbot tool, these challenges are becoming easier to overcome. In this video, we'll explain why ChatGPT is the future of digital marketing in English, and how it can help your business grow and succeed. Welcome to our video on why ChatGPT is the future of digital marketing in English. We all know that the digital marketing landscape is constantly evolving, and it can be a real challenge to stay on top of the latest trends and best practices. But with the rise of artificial intelligence and chatbot technologies like ChatGPT, there are new opportunities to reach and engage with your audience in exciting and innovative ways. As the world becomes more digital, businesses of all sizes are turning to digital marketing to reach their target customers. But with so many channels and strategies to choose from, it can be overwhelming to know where to start or how to keep up. That's where ChatGPT comes in. This advanced AI chatbot tool is designed to help businesses quickly and easily create engaging chatbot experiences, without the need for specialized technical knowledge or coding skills. H2. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a powerful AI chatbot tool that uses advanced natural language processing to understand and respond to user inputs in a conversational way. This means that instead of asking users to fill out forms or click through menus, ChatGPT can engage users in personalized conversations that feel more natural and intuitive. And because ChatGPT can learn from every interaction, it can improve over time and deliver even more accurate and helpful responses. H3. How does ChatGPT work? ChatGPT works by using a combination of pre-trained language models and custom training data to understand user inputs and generate appropriate responses. The pre-trained models are based on massive amounts of text data from the internet, which allow ChatGPT to understand the nuances of English grammar and syntax. But to make ChatGPT work for a specific business or domain, it's important to train it on specific topics and use cases. This is where the power of ChatGPT really comes in. By allowing businesses to train the chatbot on their own data and use cases, ChatGPT can be customized to provide highly specific and targeted responses to users. For example, a business could train ChatGPT to answer questions about their products or services, or to help users troubleshoot common issues. H2. Why is ChatGPT the future of digital marketing? There are several reasons why ChatGPT is poised to become a major force in the world of digital marketing. First and foremost, chatbots are quickly becoming the preferred mode of communication for many consumers. According to a recent study, 53% of consumers say they are more likely to shop with a business that they can message directly. And as more businesses adopt chatbot technologies, consumers are likely to become even more comfortable using them. But it's not just about consumer preference. ChatGPT also offers several advantages over traditional digital marketing methods. For one, it's highly scalable, allowing businesses to engage with large numbers of users simultaneously without sacrificing quality or accuracy. It's also more cost-effective than hiring and training human customer service representatives, and it can provide faster response times and 24/7 availability. Finally, ChatGPT provides businesses with a wealth of data and insights into user behavior and preferences. By tracking and analyzing user interactions with the chatbot, businesses can gain valuable insights into what their customers need and want, and can use that information to improve their overall marketing and customer service strategies. So there you have it. ChatGPT is the future of digital marketing in English. Whether you're a small business just starting out, or a large enterprise looking to stay ahead of the curve, ChatGPT can help you reach and engage with your audience in new and innovative ways. So why wait? Start exploring the power of ChatGPT for yourself today.